Hello, on today's gear review, I will be going over my Spiritus Systems Fanny Sack Pouch Mk2 in Multicam Arid. Spiritus Systems describes the Mk2 as a system that bridges the gap between popular, tactical sub-abdominal carry kits and everyday fanny packs. Whether it's for wear during a mission or used to simply stash your wallet and keys, this thing will fit just about everything. Designed with easy access from both front and sides, the pouch features a half-zip design, which means that your stuff won't fall out if you leave it open. The front of the pouch features a small, zippered stash pocket that is constructed using a durable 4-way stretch material and is perfect for easy access to small items. The stretch material keeps those items snug and in place. The bottom of the pouch features 2 grommet holes that allow drainage or can be used to route adjustable elastic loops. It also features webbing loop on each side for additional attachment points for items such as gloves, carabiners, and chem lights. And as you can see here, I used an additional piece of Velcro to hold the strap down for a smaller profile. The inside of the pouch features soft Velcro on both sides, giving it the ability to secure any item. This is a versatile piece of kit, and as you can see, can fit just about anything, even a Pelican 1040 mini hard case. What do I use it for? Well, for me, I use it for additional storage or as a conventional method for holding valuables when I don't have pockets, like at the beach, the pool, or riding a bicycle. I've had this for a few months now and has traveled with me a bit and has done exactly what I needed it for.